Join me today as we tidy up our countertops. If you've been watching my videos, you know that I do not like a cluttered counter. Coming into the kitchen to cook or do something that I need to do and finding that I have to clean up first does not make for a happy mom. However, leaving some things on the counter, it can be a necessity. Today, let's talk about what things do we leave on the counter, what things we can put away and find a new home for. Bread. A lot of us put our bread just right out on the counter because we're eating sandwiches or we're making lunches on a pretty much daily basis. I suggest putting your bread inside your food pantry so that way you can clear up counter space. Put your vitamins or your medicine in cute little baskets. Set those on your counter and put your medicine inside. That way you don't just have bottles sitting out and it looks nice and tidy. Paper plates and napkins should go in a drawer near your food prep area or your refrigerator for easy access. Don't set them out on the counter. Get rid of that big, bulky wooden knife block that's sitting out. Take your knives, save space, make your counter look cleaner, and put those knives in your utensil or your sharps drawer. If the items that you have left on your counter do not fall into one of these categories, go ahead and find another place for them. If they're food, they go to the food prep area. If they're spices, they go to the spices. Just figure out what items these are and where they're supposed to live in your kitchen. Doing these things is going to help you reclaim your counter and have your kitchen looking tidy in no time. Welcome to DIY Your Life. Please hit the subscribe button and click on the little bell next to it so you never miss an organizational or cleaning video. Share this video on your social media with all your friends and family, and please click the thumbs up button below. Thanks!